Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the text tool that is newly added in the app HiPaint. So here I'm opening a screen size canvas in my HiPaint app and here is the text tool. If you are using this tool for the first time, it will ask you to purchase the tool for about 200 rupees in Indian currency, and once you purchase that, you will get the text box to type, and there are many other features like you can rotate the text box using this dot, and also to increase the space of the text box, use your hand and use that anchor point to adjust the space, and clicking on this small circle at the bottom you will get three more options. So first one is the font. So when you click on this font option, you will be provided with so many different font styles. Also in each font style, there are many other subdivisions like thicker or the thinner style, outline style. All these option will be available in each font, and you'll also get a column for downloaded or imported font that will be at the bottom of the all fonts, so you can import the fonts from the internet and use them. So here the next thing is adjusting the text. So there are things like size adjustment. You can increase the size of the text like this, also increase the space between the text, spacing, also line spacing. Then comes the opacity. You can reduce the opacity of the text like this. And also two more features like alignment and the outline and underline. So here you can see we can align the text in left, right or center. Also you can underline the text using this underline option or change it into a outlined one using this outline option. So these are major features that are available in the newly added tool text tool option, and using this you can create a beautiful text typography illustration in this app. And we cannot use the pen or any other brush in this layer unless we rasterize this. So to rasterize this layer, just click on the outer area of the canvas, or otherwise you can also click the layer and click on the rasterize option. Once you done that, you can use the brushes or eraser and all the other tools in this same layer.